$100 for this thing. I mean, you literally can't beat it. And then the Range Rover engine is going to go in probably next week. Still got the bike in here. The guy's coming to get his toolbox today, finally. That's literally been a year since he's left. So it gives us some room to put 3 engines. We literally have the Mercedes engine, the Range Rover, and now Sentra engine up in here. And so yeah, all these vehicles got to go, but we're just literally just way too busy right now. So yeah, today's gonna be pretty easy. We gotta rebuild like a front end on a 1500, do a trans flush, and do this control arm on this Leaf. And I'll videotape all that today, since it's a little bit more of a relaxed day since the Ram left, and we figured out what was actually going on with this Transit. So today is actually just a working day instead of a scrambling day, trying to get things looked at. So yep, I'm gonna go in here and enjoy my coffee and try to get motivated to get the day going. Alright, you guys, so we're sitting here in the office, and this is the work order for the Transit that's outside. Trying to leave out the customer's info, but this is the Transit. And so pretty much we got, we did the starter, we did the fuel filter at the beginning, fuel volume control valve, that's the part I replaced. Try to get that, but it's not that. And then so this is all the labor for doing the fuel related stuff, all the injection pump stuff, all the hoses, dropping the fuel tank, injection pump, injectors. I don't know how well this is coming up on camera since it is on the computer, but and then these are all the parts from Ford that we're gonna need. Keep in mind there is some reman costs, or not reman, core charges in here, but this is what the bill ends up being. It's probably gonna drop a little bit. It's probably gonna be more like, I don't know, 7,500, somewhere between 7,000 and 7,500 to fix the fuel system on the Transit. That's pretty much what it's going to cost. And this is just using all data numbers. This isn't like me throwing out random numbers, you know what I mean? And honestly, I quoted for 22 hours. It's probably going to take at least 3 to 4 days to completely do this system, just because I do literally everything here. I'm not just a mechanic, so I'm always going to get parts and dealing with customers on the phone, doing work orders, and working on vehicles. But that's why people come to us, because it is so cheap. If you went to a dealership, it'd probably be double, literally double this, because our labor rate for other dealers is roughly $90 an hour, versus dealerships, they're here in Richmond, they're pushing $200 an hour for diesel stuff nowadays.